Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.